sorry, you said what? I apologize.
I said shitting on myself, man. You know, when the officer is laying on my back, and I, you know what I'm saying?
Oh, so you defecated on yourself?
Yeah.
Okay.
So
The video for today is going to show what it looks like when a supervisor conducts an administrative use of force investigation. This occurred because an officer was placing someone under arrest, had a use of force against that person, and believed he might have injured the individual he was placing under arrest. It's his responsibility to notify a sergeant. The arrest in this incident was a man who was being detained for suspicion of shoplifting. While he was being detained, it became clear that he had a felony warrant for his arrest. The officer then placed him under arrest, and a use of force ensued. You'll hear all about that from the suspect's perspective in a minute. With all that being said, I hope you enjoy this video. I hope you learned something. I'll talk to you soon.
Troy, I'm gonna run out there and learn something. I know, I was like, whatever.
Because it's not a serious injury. Unless if it was a serious injury.
Yeah. I was like, I mean, it won't hurt.
Like, I got like 4 different messages going on. Pencil talking to me about this dude. I gotta call him to find out if the dude can even do it. So if not, we're gonna have to find somewhere else. He said his mechanic called off sick, but he's in the shop, so.
I mean, you probably can. If I had to guess. Hola. How you doing, sir? I'm sorry, you said what? I apologize.
I said shitting on myself, man. You know, when the officer is laying on my back, and I, you know what I'm saying?
Oh, so you defecated on yourself?
Yeah.
Okay.
So that's why I'm just telling you, like, I'm just warning you, it smell like shit, though. You know what I'm saying?
I smell a little bit.
Right.
Okay. All right. Well, I'm also from Columbus Police. This is Sergeant Bennett. So the reason I'm here is it was reported to us that you might have sustained some injuries during the
No, I
scuffle.
haven't sustained no injuries, man, you know what I'm saying?
You don't have any injuries, is that what you're saying?
No.
Okay. There's no blood or anything on you? Nothing in your mouth?
My mouth was bleeding, you know what I'm saying?
Mm-hmm.
But because it got bumped in the struggle, you know what I'm saying, in the little, you know, little melee and shit, though, you know what I'm saying? Like, my mouth got bumped against the ground, but it's nothing, it's not bleeding now. I don't care nothing about it, though, you know what I'm saying? Like,
I know, but what's your first name again? I'm sorry.
Lamar.
What is it? Lamar. What's your last name?
Latham.
Latham. Okay, so Mr. Latham, we just try to be really thorough about things.
Right.
So.
But I'm just saying, like, you know, at the end of the day, like, I don't have no injuries. Like, if you take a picture of me, like, my mouth is not swollen or nothing like that, though. You know.
Well, I'm not gonna force you. So if you don't want me to take pictures of you, I won't. But
no,
I mean,
I'm just saying, like, at the end of the day, like, there's nothing like if you take a picture of me, it's gonna be a regular picture, though. You know what I mean? So,
I get it. It's just we just do it anyway, just because there was an allegation that you might have sustained an injury during the altercation.
No injury, man. Like,
Okay.
My lip was bleeding because my mouth had bumped up against the.
Okay. So can you tell me how that happened then?
No, I can't tell you how it happened because I don't know how it happened, though. You know what I'm saying? Like,
Okay.
You know,
Well, do you know why you're in the car?
yeah, I know I'm in the car. You know what I'm saying? But like I'm saying, like, okay, here's what happened. You know, I was stealing. I'm a heroin addict. You know what I'm saying? Like, and you know, I'm trying to you know, get some shit out of here, some merchandise I can sell, so I can be able to, you know,
So you can get another fix or something.
Shit,
Okay.
you see what I'm saying?
Sure.
Not necessarily get high, but get well because I'm sick already. You know what I'm saying?
Yeah.
And so I'm trying to get well. So, but you know, they caught on to me and shit, though. And the officer, he came up, you know what I'm saying, and he grabbed my hand. You know how y'all do that little wrist shit, though, you know what I'm saying, y'all
Sure.
do. And he was telling me, like, man, you know, if at the end of the day, like, not to tense up, but I wasn't tensing up, you know what I'm saying, like, I took a step back and, you know what I'm saying, I tripped, I started tripping, though, you know what I'm saying, like,
Okay.
he thought I was trying to run, you know what I'm saying, stepped on my foot, and
Well, if that's the case, you can understand how we might think you're trying to run, right?
right now, I understand that, though. You know what I'm saying? I'm not disputing that or nothing. Like,
Sure.
You know what I'm saying?
Okay.
Like, so, you know, when we went down, like I went down, obviously face first, and so my stomach's on the ground. He came down on my back. You know what I'm saying?
Yeah.
Which, you know, pushed on my stomach, and you know what I'm saying? The only thing I'm trying to explain to him, I'm not resisting.
Yeah.
You know what I'm
So
saying?
is that when you went to the ground? Is that when you think your mouth got a little bloody? Is that-
Probably, you know what
okay.
I'm saying? Like,
Sure.
And so I'm trying to explain to him,
Yeah.
I'm not trying to resist. I'm about to shit. You know, on my back, I'm about to shit on myself. You know what I'm saying? Like, please, I'm not trying to resist. I'm yelling this out in the store.
Sure.
I'm yelling this out. Please,
So you
I'm not
definitely weren't trying to. You weren't trying to defecate on him, right? You
No,
weren't
I
trying to shit
wasn't
on him.
trying to
You
shit
were
on
trying
him.
to. Okay.
I
Okay.
wasn't trying to shit on myself. I just wanted him
It just kind of
to get
happened.
off my back because you know what I'm saying?
Yeah.
Because you know what I'm saying? Because I'm about to shit. Like, you know what I'm saying?
Sure.
Like, I'm about to shit. I'm not trying to resist. I'm
Yeah.
shitting. I'm about to shit. You know what I'm saying? Please get off my back. Like,
I get it. I mean, it's a scary situation. So I mean, it can happen. So.
I mean, it's not necessarily a scary situation because I just recently got out of prison. You know,
Maybe some stomach issues or something.
You said what?
Stomach issues or something.
What, in prison?
Well, yeah. Well, so hang on. Let me go further. So so he didn't strike you or anything like that.
Nah.
Okay.
Hell nah. Like,
Okay. It was just the tackle of the ground.
Just a tackle to
Okay.
the ground.
And,
you know what I'm saying? Like,
and just real quick, there's nothing else that you think I need to know about, like no other officers came and hit you, nothing like that.
Nobody hit me. Nobody did nothing and shit.
Okay.
You know what I'm saying?
Just a
Like,
regular handcuffing, just a regular run-of-the-mill
that's it, man,
arrest.
you know what I'm
Okay.
saying? Like, yeah, I'm not
Okay.
trying
All right.
to press no charges on him or
Yeah.
none of that shit.
Okay.
Like, you know what I'm saying? Like,
We're just really thorough about stuff,
like,
bud.
I feel what
So-
you're saying, like, but I'm saying, like, at the end of the day, man, like, I just did 19 years in the joint, man. You know
I
what I'm saying?
understand.
Like, and I don't fucking do no snitching or none of that shit. Man.
Sure.
You know what I'm saying? At the end of the day, like, you know, that man ain't do shit to me. Ain't nobody else do shit to me. You know what I'm saying?
Just kinda happened.
It just kind of happened and shit.
Okay.
Though, you
Is
know
it-
what I'm saying? But
and-
it's
and-
no longer
Okay.
happening right now. You know what I'm saying?
Is there anything else that you think I need to know at all?
Columbus Police doing a hell of a job, man. You know what I'm saying?
Well, I appreciate that, buddy. Thank you. Thank you.
That's all I think you need to know,
All right.
man. You know
Well,
what I mean?
if you're good with it, man, I'm gonna get some pictures of you. Okay. If not, I mean, I'm not gonna force you, but.
Right. I'm saying, I mean, if that's what you want to do, then you know I'm fine. But I'm fine with it. I would prefer that you didn't, though, because at the end of the day, I still got shit on me. You know what I'm saying? And I'm trying to get as quick as possible as I can to get to where I can get this shit.
Well, I got the camera right here, so let's just get it done real quick. All right.
Right.
Sound good? All right. You can stay right there. You don't even have to move.
Can I smile?
I mean, if you want to.
No.
All right. Then it's just your mouth, right? Yeah. Can you open your mouth for me? Okay, cool. We're good to go, sir.
Yeah.
We'll get you out of here, okay? All right.
Need a cigarette?
We'll see what they can figure out for you, okay? All right, man. All right, watch your knee, okay? Watch your knee.
Like, at the end of the day, like, man,
I understand.
I'm
In contact.